Hi friends, this is Suzy, your Candy Crush guru. It is February 25th, 2026. I'm here for my Wordle and Quordle of the day, and I'm super tired today, so I'm going to use the word snore again. Gosh, it's got to come up here eventually, right? So I'm going to try it for today, and oh, that green in the beginning really got me. We got something though. We've got this, and then we've got a couple of other things. Is it ER? Is it SER? So we've got R and E. We've also got maybe, so R, S, T, L, N, E. And then other vowels, A, I, U, and sometimes Y, but guess what? I think I'm going to put the R there. So what if I try later? Feels right to me. Later. Ooh, we got the E placed, but we do not have the R placed. So where does the R go? It's either going to go here or here. I'm thinking here because here the S and the R don't really blend well together on their own in the beginning. SCR, scree, but no, we've got the E. Oh, what about like screw? So if we do a C here, screw is the only one I see. What other things could go there? Maybe a P. Not spree. I feel like I'm missing something. GH, oh, shred or shrew. Or nope, don't see anything else. Not probably a K. I already kind of considered the C, didn't I? I put that in out of order. All right, I think it's maybe going to be one of those. I'm not sure. I mean, the E could go, or the R could go there. But what I'm going to do is try to figure out what I can do to check for these guys. So if I try shrew, if I just try shrew, and it's not shrew, I would then know it's shred, right? Or if it's not shrew, I would know it's screw if this is the one that's missing. This is the one that has the elements of both. It has the H from shred and the W from screw. Now, it could be that I'm totally off track. But I like those three options, so I'm going to go with shrew and see what happens. Oh, shred. Right? I mean, I don't think it could be anything else. I think it's shred. Oops. Oh, phew. Okay. So it took me 4, but we got it done. I'm going to now clear this out and put in my Quordle and put in my 4 standard words. That'll give me 20 unique letters. Hopefully I'll get this quickly. I'm going to try fishy, budge, clown, tramp. Bluer. B-L-U-E-R, bluer. Felon, F-E-L-O-N, because we couldn't put the L there and we couldn't put the E there. And then spool, S-P-O-O-L, and no I there, index, I-N-D-E-X. Ha ha ha! Oh, I'm glad I got that done quickly. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I think I have to go to sleep, so I think that the other games are going to be delayed a bit. I think I'm going to prioritize my sleep. And a little bit later in the day, I will post my strands and my connections. See you soon. Bye-bye.